Hello, mate. I need a, can I book in for a trim up?
Yeah, what for?
What for? I just need about... When for? When can you do it?
It's up to you. What sort of time was you thinking?
Well, today? Excellent. I don't know, about 2 o'clock I reckon. I need about 1/4 of an inch off it.
2? Yeah, that should be fine.
It's getting messy. It's getting messy. It goes all over the place, it does.
What's your name?
The name? Adolf.
Who's that?
It's not me.
No, it can't be.
It's not me.
I was wondering if you'd trim a bit off my foreskin.
You did right.